Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Here at Eon, we show you what ingredients you need, how to make it, how to use it, and most interestingly, how it all works. So join us as we discover ways to heal that have been around longer than you've been alive. Cracked heels. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup shea butter, 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 10 drops of lavender oil. Instructions: combine the coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax in a double boiler over low heat, or a glass bowl over a pot of boiling water. Stir until completely melted. Remove from the heat and let it cool just slightly. Stir in the honey, tea tree oil, and lavender oil. It's important to add these at a slightly cooler temperature to preserve their natural properties. Pour into a clean glass jar or container and allow it to solidify at room temperature. You can speed this process up by placing it in the refrigerator. How to use it: apply a generous amount to the cracked heels at night before bed. Cover with cotton socks to lock in the moisture overnight. Repeat daily for best results. Ensure to soak feet and remove the unwanted dry skin, or get a relaxing pedicure. So how does it work? The fatty acids in coconut oil help to moisturize the skin deeply and protect against fungal infections due to its antimicrobial properties. Shea butter is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that improve skin's elasticity and aid in the natural collagen production of the skin. This helps repair the skin's barrier. Beeswax acts as a protective layer to trap moisture in the skin and provide relief from itching due to dryness. Honey is a natural humectant that attracts moisture to the skin and has antibacterial properties to help fight infections. Tea tree oil is an antifungal that has antiseptic qualities, making it effective in preventing and treating skin infections that can worsen with cracked heels. Last but not least, lavender oil is known for its calming effects and also helps to reduce inflammation and pain associated with cracked heels, creating very happy feet. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.